Are you on the hunt for the perfect air compressor for your project? Well, you've landed in the perfect spot. In this video, we're about to unveil the top 5 air compressors available on the market. So, if you're eager to make a purchase, simply browse the links provided in the description box below. Your search for the ideal air compressor ends right here. Craftsman.
Now what's left is right.
This portable air compressor is Craftsman.
Chasing stars and holding you.
Global veterans in Jackson.
I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
6-gallon capacity. And you won't have to worry about maintenance thanks to its volume. It can handle a variety of
Get on board.
so you can keep working
We're smiling on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high.
20 feet tall.
Be sure to keep the ground in sight.
PSI. It runs on
Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Get on board.
It's easy.
We're smiling on top of the world. Get on board. We're smiling on top of the world.
This compressor is a real workhorse with 200 psi, which is 25% more pressure than it pumps out 4 CFM at 90 psi, so you can use multiple big nailers at once. It's versatile, running different nailers simultaneously. It's super light at 41 ohms, 22% lighter than the old-style compressors, and the 6-gallon tank keeps your crew going. It's tough, and you won't have to worry about oil changes. It's also been recognized as the preferred brand for nailers by Builder and Developer magazine from 2014 to 2019. Vevor Air Compressor. Vevor's 4.8-gallon air compressor is a powerful machine, running quietly at 70 decibels. It's great for all sorts of jobs like inflating tires, auto repair, and painting. The compressor is speedy, thanks to its double intake and its tough. It's also built to last with rust-resistant layers. It automatically shuts off and stays safe, making it a reliable choice for business tasks. DeWalt's portable air compressor is a reliable workhorse with 165 max psi and a 6-gallon tank, providing long tool usage and fast recovery. It's easy to start in cold weather and can handle long cords. Plus, it keeps things quiet with a noise level of 78.5 dBA. You can count on it for top-notch air tool performance, thanks to its high-flow regulators and couplers. The best part? It's low maintenance, thanks to its oil-free pump, and the controls are protected by a removable console cover. It's also easy to carry and store at just 30 ohms, and it supports 2 users with 2 universal couplers. And draining the tank is quick and thorough with a ball drain valve.